Are you interested in making money through affiliate marketing? Look no further than the Amazon Affiliate Program. With over 300 million customers worldwide, Amazon is a massive platform for affiliate marketers to take advantage of. Plus, it's easy to sign up and get started as an affiliate. Once you're signed up, you can start promoting Amazon products on your website, social media, or other channels. You earn a commission on any purchases made through your affiliate links, which can range from 1% to 10%. The more you sell, the higher your commission rate can become. So, how do you get started? First, choose your niche and select products to promote that are relevant and useful to your audience. Then, create quality content that includes your affiliate links. This can include product reviews, tutorials, and other helpful content. It's also important to track your performance and make changes as needed. Use Amazon's reporting tools to see which products are selling well and which ones aren't. Experiment with different types of content and marketing strategies to see what works best for your audience. In conclusion, Amazon affiliate marketing is a great way to earn passive income. As always, it's important to disclose your affiliate relationship and provide honest recommendations to your audience. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks.